Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's see how you can rock a red lipstick look in simple steps. So let's begin. Step number 1, remove your upper lip hair. The hair around the mouth will make that part look little darker, and if you are using a red lipstick, it doesn't look flattering in that case. So always remove the extra hair around your mouth. Step 2, exfoliation. I'm taking this Vaseline petroleum jelly and applied it all over my lips with the help of a tissue paper or a towel or even a napkin which has rough texture. Rub on the lips gently. This step is more than enough if you don't have dry and chapped lips. But if you do have, then go ahead and use any ready-made lip scrub available in the market or simply DIY it at home. Step number 3, moisturization. Apply a good coat of any lip balm to provide enough moisturization to your lips. Step 4, color correct and conceal. When you are opting for a red lipstick, then it will make the pigmentation on your skin look more prominent. So all your flaws will magically start showing even more. So always color correct and conceal while choosing dark lipsticks, especially the red one. All the products which I used in this video will be given in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out if you have any doubts regarding the products. You don't need to do this step on any casual day, but if you have any function to attend, please don't think that you can simply apply the foundation and a red lipstick on top of it and you will be good to go. When it is some important occasion and you are going to flaunt red lipstick on that day, never skip this step. I am ditching my foundation today and going ahead with the highlighting step, but if you want to use a foundation, then you need to use it at this point of time. So the order should be like this: color corrector, concealer of your shade, foundation, then lighter concealer for highlighting. Step number 5 is lip liner. Always use a sharp pointed lip liner for the precision. Before going with this step, make sure to remove the excess lip balm from your lips. Lip lining is the most important step of all. This helps the lipstick to stay on for longer duration and also gives a pro look. It won't be any problem if you skip your lip liner for nude lipsticks, but for red lipsticks and other darker colors, don't skip this step as it will help in stopping the lipstick from bleeding. Don't smile or open your mouth wider while applying the lip liner or the lipstick. It's because smiling can change the lip shape. And why you shouldn't open your mouth? It's because this step is not for everyone. This step is for people who already have big filler lips like me. I don't want to go till the inner corner of my lips because it will make my lips look even more bigger and fuller, and I clearly don't want that to happen. If you have thin lips, you can go slightly above the natural lip line. As you are seeing, I am filling the corners of my lips from inside instead of going ahead and lining them from the outside. So now take any red lipstick of your choice and fill in the lips. Skip applying on the inner part of your lower lip because that's the part of the lipstick which stains the teeth. I went ahead and used a lip liner once again to give nice shape to my lips. To avoid lip stains on any surfaces like glasses or spoons, always pat off the excess product with the help of a tissue paper and layer it again if necessary. This step will help the lipstick last longer since you have already removed the excess. Now go for a second coat and blot again with a tissue. Next, place the tissue over your lips and lightly tap some translucent powder on the tissue. This powder will absorb the excess moisture of the lipstick and keep it in place. That's the final look, you guys. I know these steps are a little overwhelming, but that's okay because it's for your functions and parties, not for your day-to-day life. I hope you all like it and find it helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.